Auxiliary verbs. What are they? Well, auxiliary verbs are often referred to as helping words. There are two types of auxiliary verbs: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary consists of be, do, and have. And we also have their different forms. The be form that consists of am, is, are, was, were, being, been. Be is used to form continuous tense. For example, Ryan is reading a book. Here, the auxiliary verb is helping the main verb reading. Be is also used to form a passive voice. For example, a surprise party was planned for Kian's birthday. The auxiliary verb was is helping the main verb plan. The do form: does, did, doing, done. Do can be used to express emphasis. For example, he does like dancing. Do is also used to form questions. For example, does Sahil own a car? Do you recall my phone number? Do also expresses negative statements. For example, Sahil does not own a car. I do not recall your phone number. The have form consists of has, had, having. Have forms perfect tenses. Example, I have been coughing continuously today. The train had left already. She will have reached Paris by then. Now, it's your turn to work with the primary auxiliary verbs and complete the following sentences. 1. I dash been to Delhi before. 2. She dash carry a laptop to work daily. Let us know your answers in the comments section. Next, we have the modal auxiliary verbs. Unlike the primary auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliary verbs don't change form. Modal auxiliary verbs help the main verb by expressing likelihood, ability, permission, intention, request, or necessity. Likelihoods such as can, could, may, might, will, would. For example, she might miss the train. Ability such as can, could. For example, I can climb that mountain. Permission such as can, could, may. For example, you may give your advice. Intention such as shall, will. For example, I shall see you tonight. Requests such as can, could, may, might, will, would. For example, would you mind sharing your lunch with me? Necessities such as should, must, ought to. For example, we must attend that meeting. Can you complete these sentences using the most appropriate modal auxiliary verbs? 1. Dash, I click a picture please. 2. We dash go for a movie tonight. I hope you got both primary and modal auxiliary verbs right. Let us know your answers in the comments below. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Let's Dude. Thank you.